Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. Today we're unlocking tight hips, stretching out stiff hamstrings and firing up your lower body so you can step into your day feeling powerful, light and energized. Did you actually wake up feeling tight with stiff legs, locked up hips, lower back tension? If this is how you feel, this isn't just a stretch, it's a full body reset for your body. Too much sitting is stealing your flexibility. Waking up stiff is slowing you down. Your body is craving this movement. It's time to give it what it needs. We're stretching the hamstrings, unlocking the hips, and mobilizing the spine. Each move flows into the next, so your body wakes up naturally and powerfully. By the end, I promise you feel lighter, looser, and more flexible, like you just added 10 years of mobility back into your body. And if you sit at a desk for hours, I have something special for you at the end. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Let's hit the mat. First up, we're hitting up the all-time classic, Downward Dog. If you do this right, it's a full body reset in a single move. Plant your hands shoulder width apart. Fingers spread wide. Lift your hips high, press your chest back, and push your heels toward the ground. Take a deep breath. Feel that stretch in your hamstrings, calves, and back. I promise this one move unlocks your hamstrings, stretches your calves, and opens up your shoulders all at once. It's like hitting a restart on your body. Beginners, bend your knees slightly for comfort. Advanced stretches, paddle your feet to deepen the stretch. Breathe in. Push your chest back 1 inch more. Exhale, let tension melt away. Feel that? Your hamstrings are waking up. But now, we're twisting things up to unlock those tight hips. Your hips hold tension like a vault. And today, we're cracking them open. Step your right foot forward into a lunge, left knee down. Reach your right arm up toward the sky, twisting your torso toward your front knee. Hold, breathe deep, and feel your hips and spine unravel. I promise the stretch doesn't just feel good. It fixes tight hip flexors, improves spinal mobility, and even fires up your core for better posture. Beginners, keep your hand on your knee for support. Advanced stretches, lift your back knee off the ground for more intensity. Hold it. Twist 1% deeper. Breathe. That's how you unlock real flexibility. Feeling that twist? Just wait. Now we go deeper. Your lower back and hamstrings are about to breathe a sigh of relief. Stand tall, inhale. Hinge at your hips, fold forward, and let your head hang heavy. Grab your elbows, breathe deep, and let gravity do the work. I promise, this move is your secret weapon against low back pain and tight legs. The more you relax, the deeper it works. Beginners, slight bend in your knees. Advanced stretches, hold your ankles and gently pull deeper. Close your eyes, let your head hang heavy. Take one more breath in and exhale. Your body needed that. Now that your legs are loosening up, let's hit the ultimate hip opener, pigeon pose. Tight hips? Say goodbye. Bring your right knee forward, extend your left leg back. Keep your hips square, chest lifted. Sink into the stretch and breathe. I promise, this is the stretch that unlocks your hips, relieves lower back tension, and improves mobility instantly. Beginners, place a block under your hips. Advanced stretches, fold forward for a deeper stretch. Hold, breathe. Can you relax just 1% more? Let's switch sides and balance it out. Final move. You made it. Let's finish strong. Sit into a deep squat, feet wide. Plant one hand on the floor, twisting the other hand up. Switch sides. Feel the full body rotation. I promise, this move gives you everything. Hip mobility, spine rotation, and leg strength, all in one. Beginners, hold on to a stable surface for support. Advanced stretches, try keeping your heels flat. One more deep twist, one more breath. Hold it and release. Stand tall, and just like I promised, if you sit for hours, don't stop here. Your body needs more than just this routine. I created something special for you, so go grab your free desk worker stretching guide. It's packed with morning, midday, evening stretches, desk workouts, office ergonomic tips, and much more to help keep your body pain-free all day. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. This is your chance to stay strong, flexible, and pain-free every single day. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.